I love a restoration project, but when you're restoring wood, your choice of finish and sealer can make or break your project. And there's some important things to consider, like whether it's going to be indoors or outdoors, or whether it's in sun and rain, and what colors are going to be. Today, I'll be restoring this pot plant stand. It lives out in the sun and rain, and it's looking terrible. So I'll clean it up and treat it with some fired earth velvet wood preservative. This product is an oil and wax preservative rather than a varnish, so it will soak into the wood, restoring it and bringing out its color. It also has water, sun, and insect protection. Because it's oil-based, I'd recommend you don't use it on furniture like tables and chairs. For that, rather use a varnish. What I'll need: a sanding machine, sandpaper, a rag, paintbrush, and my velvet wood preservative. I've chosen the Revamp, but it's available in different colors. The first thing we need to do is sand off this old varnish. There you go. Done with the mouse sander. And for those hard to reach areas now, I'm gonna just do a little bit of hand sanding. Done. Now I'm gonna give this a quick wipe so that the dust is off, and then I'm gonna begin with my preservative. Using the brush, just paint it on and let it soak for about 15 minutes between coats. And remember, when you're painting, you want to paint with the grain of the wood. Don't forget the bottom of the feet. This plant stand's going to be outside, so it's going to be exposed to rain. There you go. Now give that 15 minutes just to soak in, and then we're ready to do our second coats. And remember, for the best protection, give it 3 coats. Maintenance is really easy with this product. Just clean off any dirt and grime and reapply. And because it's not a varnish, there's no need to sand, unless you've got some serious damage you need to repair. And doesn't it look great? Remember, everything I use is available at Builders. For more, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more how-to videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.